University of Nebraska Regents say they support their fellow board member charged with a DUI.
Elizabeth O'Connor attended today's Regents meeting in Lincoln, the first one since she was handed the felony charge. KETV News Watch 7's Aaron Hegarty was there. He joins us live in studio. Aaron?
Yeah, Bill Quinicia, O'Connor is accused of driving drunk with a blood alcohol level 4 times the legal limit. The former deputy Douglas County attorney no longer works in that office, but she's still on the Board of Regents. She was just re-elected last November, but a felony conviction would make her ineligible for office. In the first University of Nebraska Board of Regents meeting since her DUI arrest, Regent Elizabeth O'Connor was there and participating.
Regent O'Connor?
It was the second meeting since the crash that allegedly happened while she was driving drunk. O'Connor is accused of hitting another vehicle at 63rd and Blondo Streets and causing serious injury. I asked her fellow regents about her case.
It's a sad deal. We just want her to get better, and hopefully that will happen.
Paul Kenny is the board chair.
We're just supportive as we can be. I mean, we have to follow the letter of the law and see how that turns out.
Kenny said that O'Connor went through multiple difficult things in her personal life, including a death in the family.
She's had a very difficult year personally, and I absolutely support her.
I also asked Regent Barbara Weitz, who, like O'Connor, represents Douglas County.
I think it's time for us to give people second chances, and I actually did some research and looked at other people that got DUIs that were serving in public office that went right on to do really great things and stay in public office.
Another local elected official charged with driving drunk is Pottawatomie County Supervisor Jeff Jorgensen. Last year, he was found guilty after entering a plea deal. He refused calls for him to resign and is still in office. But in O'Connor's case, she's faced no public calls for resignation.
She's a good person. She's a great regent, and one mistake shouldn't undo 7 years of service that she's been doing brilliantly.
Kenny told me they could not remove O'Connor from office if they wanted to. 2 other regents made brief comments but did not want to go on camera. They said they'd like to see the case play out. Back to you.